is up, you guys? Welcome back for another vlog. I am Nicole. For those who are new here, if this is your first time joining us, welcome, and welcome for Vlogmas Day 2. Cole's here. I'm watching him spin in my chair. So Cole and I we were a little lazy this weekend. So the vlog that I put up for you will be yesterday. For me, it was like literally 15 minutes ago. Stop. The vlog I put up actually skipped Saturday and Sunday because we were legitimately lazy. We camped out in the living room. We ate pizza and junk. We got groceries and that filled up the cars. Yeah, we went to the store, got groceries, filled up our cars, cleaned the house, reset. You already went there. Reset, and we were like done, like so done. Like after I came back from that week-long trip, we reset the house, did everything we need to do. I like planned my December out, and I was like, you know what? I planned my December out, and I was like, you know what? I'm done. I'm tired. So we were lazy. We had a sleepover in the living room, and so Cole and I are like just kind of cleaning up now and picking up. I thought to bring y'all along for just a cozy evening with us, a realistic cozy evening, because we have to cook dinner, get our lunches ready. I didn't even meal prep my breakfast. I literally took a banana and a Pop-Tart for breakfast. Like, that's just how it was. And I was like, you know what? So yeah, we're going to do all of that. It is 6 o'clock right now. So I want Cole to be in bed by 8:30. That is, so it's 6 o'clock right now, a little bit after 6. Cole has already taken his bath. So, you know, check, one thing done. He needs to eat, do his homework. I have to first cook. And then when he winds down, I might do like my meal prep for like breakfast and stuff later. So yeah, we have 2 hours to get everything that we want to get done. We're going to see how this goes. So one of the main things, the reason I like am trying to get everything done within the next 2 hours is I really wanted to get Cole back in a routine. I think if I get him in a routine, I can get myself in a routine, we can get this thing going. And it's like an ongoing process because it's like trial and error. Figuring out what works, what doesn't work, and what worked before is no longer working. So, Cole wants to say hi. So yeah, we're gonna clean up the living room a bit, clean up the kitchen a bit tonight. Like, that'll probably be my reset points. Get us some food going, get us some dinner. You need to turn this off. Okay, put your lunchbox over here. Okay, put your lunchbox over there so you can put more stuff. Okay, listen, no, put your lunchbox up there. Getting a pudding. Okay, what else do you want? Get down. What? In there later, okay? A pouch. We'll get your pouch. Yep. What? Not prepping on Sunday is definitely biting me in the butt. It definitely is biting me in the butt. I should have done this yesterday, y'all, but I just wanted to be lazy. That's it. That's all. I just wanted to be lazy. Oh, I should have did this beforehand, but it's okay. All right, so I have Cole's dinner done. I'm actually cooking my breakfast. He was cooking the meat for me, but my mom said she was on her way over, and he was like, oh, I'm going with Mimi. She was like, well, have his stuff ready, make sure he's eating. So he had to stop helping me cook so he could sit down and eat. However, he is not sitting down because he is in the cabinet right now, but I left my meat, so I had to finish my meat. I was like, gosh darn it, like, she called and threw us off for real. But she said she was bringing me a salad from Chick-fil-A, so I'm just gonna stop at breakfast and lunch for the week. So I'm really just meal prepping breakfast and lunch. And honestly, I can make this my dinner if I really wanted to, because I mean, it's literally rice, vegetables. So Cole is done eating. He scarfed that food down like he is not eating all day. He's eating some pudding right now. I am trying to find him something to wear tomorrow. It was super cold. Like, we had like a freeze warning over the weekend, which is kind of why we just kind of stayed in and were lazy. It's definitely biting us in the butt now because I like came home full force. Like, we got to do all these things. And I'm like, crap, like, I really need to stay on schedule and do things on Sunday. It's a high of 62 tomorrow and a low of 28. It's going to be freaking cold. Huh? Right here? I'm getting you some clothes. What are you going to wear tomorrow?
Jacket.
A jacket? Well, I know you're going to wear a jacket, but like you need actual clothes with your jacket. Do you want to wear your sweats? Want to wear some sweats?
Yeah.
Can you fit this still?
I want to meet the whole jump.
Drums at Mimi's house? You know you have drums at Mommy's house.
Oh, what? Mama.
Huh?
What?
What do you see?
Mama.
Hey, come here. See if you can still fit these.
Huh?
See if you can still fit these. You need to clean your room. That's why you're falling all over everything.
Drivers to your car.
Oh, yeah. You can still fit these.
Ready to run.
That was easy. I just need to find him a
Huh?
t-shirt to go under this. Oh, this room. He literally turns on every noisemaker possible. What? What are you doing?
Where you going?
I'm going to get you some socks.
Where you going?
Fun fact, only half of Cole's stuff is in his room. I really want to put like a dresser or something in his room. Okay, let's see. You need a tank and a t-shirt. Do you have undies at Mimi's house?
Huh?
Do you have undies at Mimi's house?
Yeah.
Let's see, shall we? Everyone eats. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Pigs eat mushrooms.
Why are you?
Yep, how many pigs?
1, 2, 3, 4.
4 pigs. Very good. We have Christmases for December. Christmas trees. What color are you going to color your tree?
Name.
Okay, we got orange, green, blue, red, yellow.
Why?
Because C. That's not a C.
Why?
That legit felt like the longest hour of my life. My mom came quicker than I thought she was going to. They're like already gone. She was supposed to give me something she wanted me to do. She didn't even leave it behind. I'm gonna have to let her know. But anyways, all the food is done. Like, prepping our food doesn't take long, but like now I still need to clean up the kitchen and like wind myself down. Technically, if he was still here, because he had already eaten, done everything, we could play a little bit, exercise, and wind him down. But since he's not here, I'm just gonna clean the kitchen and the living room and wind myself down instead. But yeah, that was actually like not bad timing. I like to have at least a couple of meals prepped throughout the week so it's not so hectic, especially on a Monday night. I hate when I do this to myself, and I typically do this if we have been out of town. Then like I push back everything, but I hate when I do that to myself when we're on our normal routine of like meal prepping on Sunday, and I do like a simple meal to get us through Monday, Tuesday. Like, you know, by Wednesday I'm ready to like cook again and have some strength back. But Mondays are hard. But anyway, so food is prepped. So what I do, if you're new here, I make breakfast and lunch. I literally make the same thing every week. I might spice it up a bit here and there, but I am a creature of habit, truly, and I'm not really a good cook. So until I've learned new recipes, I stick with what I know and what I like. I've always been like this even since I was a little girl. I went through a phase where I only ate mac and cheese and weenies. So yeah. So here it is. I did not cook the cheese into my eggs this time, but it's eggs, bell peppers, onions, sausage, cheese. So these are my 4 breakfasts. I already put my banana out to put in my lunchbox. This is just little steak bites, lightly seasoned. Although Cole tried to season them a lot, so they might be more than lightly seasoned. Rice that I cooked in chicken broth that I'm going to pair with that. And then bell peppers, onions, ready to go on the side. This was extra. I just threw a can of Old Glory greens on the stove for Cole, but my mom like took a bunch with her. And the rest of the potatoes, Cole made instant mashed potatoes for himself. So yeah, so all of this is cooling down. While this is cooling, I am going to hit these dishes that I just threw in the sink from all that cooking, and clean up the living room from our lovely sleepover. And then I'm gonna wind down, y'all. Catch me a little Vlogmas too. Alicia Geddes just posted a Vlogmas video. I didn't know she did Vlogmas, so I'm here for this. I feel like I live vicariously through other people who don't work traditional jobs and can enjoy all the festive things of Christmas while I am just trying to make it day by day at work. It like brings me so much joy.
I love Filling Horse, let's just put it that way. Like, it was just such a good concert. Brandy is definitely one of my favorites. They slept in separate bedroom. I'm like, y'all could have just... I have to watch it because I put this underneath the espresso machine. I was like, this is a regular cup of coffee. Carry on, and then, but I have, this is the first time I'm looking at, right? This is the first time.
Cole has already changed this 5 times. Alright, so I have officially shut down the kitchen and the living room. Those were my 2 spots I was cleaning tonight. Cole's room is a disaster. We'll worry about that tomorrow. But it is now 8:15. I feel like I've made such a good timing. I don't know. I was like speedy or something. Granted, we did get home a little bit before 6, and so I had already gotten Cole a bath. He was able to like play in the tub for a minute and give me a second to catch up. But yeah, I'm not going to skip my Sunday resets anymore. Really and truly, could I wind us down in 2 hours? Yes. Have I done it? Yes. Is it just a little bit more chaotic now? Especially because, like, if Cole were here right now, he definitely would need me to go to sleep with him first. And so I have to try to get all of this cleaned up with him, which will make it a little bit slower process. And it like amps him up. So then it's harder to get him to lay down. Or go take a shower, lay down with him, and maybe not get back up to get the things clean. So that's like the struggle. Because it's like, what do I do? And so what I've been doing is just taking a shower and laying down with him and getting up at midnight and then struggling to get up in the next morning because I'm like up at crazy hours in the night. So that's why we're trying to get our routines down. He's doing a little bit better about like if we lay down, he'll immediately fall asleep. So then I don't end up falling asleep. But yeah, for the most part, I'm going to have to like start wearing him out. But my clothes are laid out for tomorrow. Even my workout clothes are laid out. Clothes for work. Lunch is prepped and in the fridge. So like typically my lunch and breakfast, everything's packed, like our food and stuff. Cole's homework is done. Our clothes are ready. Like that is our norm. But what I want to start making sure I'm doing is like doing a 15 to 20 minute reset. Even if it's just like a 5-minute reset in each little space, like just tidying it up so that by the end of the week, I'm not so worn out. And then also like planning out my day. I used to plan out my next day and just sit with my thoughts. Now I just fall asleep. So I don't want to do that. I actually want to sit and plan out my days and figure out like what needs to happen and kind of like wind my body down with and Cole's body, like getting us like a little stretch session going. So yeah, we're going to be working on that this week. That is like our goal, is just to get ourselves into a groove finally. Eat my dinner, shower, and call it a night, you guys. Thank you so much for hanging with me tonight in this very chaotic 2 hours. Like this feels like the longest 2 hours of my life, but we got so much accomplished. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this very chaotic, very real night reset, getting us ready for the next day. So let me know if y'all's little nights are like ours and how you're surviving. How are you doing, friend? Let me know how you're doing. So yeah, we will see y'all in tomorrow's Vlogmas day 3.